The Nürburgring is terrifying in a car. But on a motorcycle, it's pure insanity. This is the wildest footage you'll ever see, from superbikes flying past Porsches to crashes that'll make your heart stop. Let's dive into the 9 craziest biker moments ever caught on camera. 9. Up first, we have a Ferrari who was thinking he was the fastest in the lot until he met a certain someone who casually overtook him without much effort. 8. This next one is even crazier to imagine. This video shows tons of bikers pulling up to the Nürburgring to test out the tracks along with fast cars. I never imagined these many bikers would show up to the track. 7. Moving on, we have bikers flying by at insane speeds, even defeating race cars that were particularly meant for those tracks. 6. Now that we have seen flybys and bikes crushing cars on the tracks, let's have a look at what happens when you take a corner and it goes wrong.
You crash. 5. So now, let's take a look at a crazy biker who is not scared of getting hurt or crashing. Next up, we have the KTM Super Duke testing its limits on the Nürburgring tracks and killing it with its insane speed and handling.
Three, it's the ultimate showdown, precision German engineering versus raw two-wheeled speed. Porsche GT 3RS versus a superbike. Who do you think wins? showdown of cars and bikes going over 150 miles per hour on the Nürburgring track. One, have you ever imagined what happens when the fastest bike hits the Nürburgring against race cars? The bike crushes it. Now that's a wrap, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if your jaw hit the floor during this video, just wait till you see what happened at the car meet last video. And don't forget to comment on your favorite Nürburgring moment below as well.